If we divide 665 by 2 in long division method, so 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 6 and 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 5 and 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 665 divided by 2 is 332 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.